Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. If you would, please do me a favor and click the subscribe button right below and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. What this is, I'm doing a ClickBank series. I'm doing a little case study showing people how to promote ClickBank products using a system called My Lead Gen Secrets. What I'm using 2 accounts. Most of the case studies that I've seen are using 5 accounts, and we're signing each account up underneath each other. So that way one account is getting 200. Like for my 2 accounts, my first account's getting 200 because I signed up my second account underneath it. So every single day, my first account is getting 200 leads a day for $1. And then for another dollar, let me turn this off. Let me turn my phone off. For another dollar, I'm getting 100 leads. So for $2 a day, I'm getting 300 leads a day. So the links to both ClickBank and My Lead Gen Secrets are down below. So just click the links and it'll take you right there. Fill out your information, get signed up, and let's get started. So right now we're going to check our results from yesterday. This is day 4. So I'm going to sign in to ClickBank. Oh my God, we got a sale. Now would you looky there? That's funny. That's actually like, not counting this one, that's actually my first sale on ClickBank. That's awesome. Y'all just witnessed it too, so I'm showing y'all that this actually works. So I'm gonna see where it comes from. I'm gonna click on my account name right here. I'm gonna close this other tab. There it is, current week, $12.11. And I made that yesterday on May 2nd. Today is the 3rd. All right, so we're gonna click on the reporting. And that's good. I'm at 833 hops. I'm gonna write that down. What was that? $12.11. Yep, $12.11. I'm gonna write down my $12.11 right here. And my hops are now 833 hops. So I got to sell in 833 hops. Usually the 1,000 hops mark is where you normally will see your first sale. Sometimes, it's not guaranteed, but normally around 1,000 hops. So I got one at 833. Now what I did to get this sell is this right here. This is what I'm teaching everybody to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to the marketplace. Hold up. Let me see something else real quick. Nah, you know what? Screw it. All right, you're going to come up here to the marketplace. And I'm just going to do this as if I'm normally working. I'm just going to tell you what I'm doing while I'm doing it. I slow it down in the first video, so you can go back and watch the first video, which I highly encourage everybody to do, so you know exactly what I'm doing. I explain everything in the first video. So right now, y'all are just watching me watch the process until y'all get it down. We're going to click on e-business and e-marketing because that's what our leads are into. They are trying to make money online. So all these other categories will not work. So e-business and e-marketing. And then I sort everything by gravity. And I'm promoting this right here for 1 full week to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And this is day 4 that we're on, technically day 5. I start on day 0. So I'm going to right click the affiliate page. And as you can see, this is recurring. So if that person decides to stick with this program, I'll get that $12.11 every day on the 2nd of each month. So that's cool. So I just right clicked on affiliate page right here, and it opened this new tab. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on email swipes so I can get my pre-made emails and just copy and paste them. So yesterday I sent out I'm pretty sure that was the one I sent out. Let me sign in to my lead gen secrets to make sure. All right, whenever you're signed into My Lead Gen Secret, you're going to be on this screen. What you need to do is you want to click on Mailing System. I'm just checking, $40 per tweet. Yep. So that's the one I sent yesterday. So now we're ready for email number 5. $1,000 per week YouTube job match for whoever. So we're going to copy that subject. We're going to come back to your My Lead Gen Secret. First, we're going to select all right here. So we're going to send this email out to 27,000 people. You're going to paste the subject in the line where it says subject. And right here where it says name, we're going to replace that with one of these names. But I like to use first name. So we're going to highlight this little code right here. Copy it, Control C, or right click and hit copy. And then paste, Control V. Now scroll down to where it says, attention, please replace this text with your email ad body. We're going to hit Control A and select all. And we're going to delete everything that's in that box. Now right here, we need to go back to our emails right here. And where it says body, we're going to highlight everything to where it says signature. If they showed some links or anything below signature, do not copy anything below the word signature unless it's a PS and it has a little extra to say like PS, do this and such. You'll copy the PS, but do not copy the links. I'll try to give you an example. Like right here, do not copy what says landing page affiliate link. We don't want that. All we want, we're back to email 5, is to copy the body and stop where it says signature. And now we're going to paste it in here. Now we need to correct everything, like where it says signature. That's where your name is going to go. And here's something that I like to do. I don't like to send my emails out like this. I'm going to go ahead and change the codes first. So where it says name, I'm going to put in first name. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put that in right there. Great news. So I'm skimming through it, make sure. Right here where it says click here to apply, I'm going to do it after I clean up my email. Every place where it says click here to apply, that's where we are going to insert our affiliate link. So when people click on it and then they end up buying, that's when we get our commission. All right, so how to clean up this email. What I like to do is I like to type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I like to type that 4 times. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I scroll down a little bit, I can see that stops about after the word online. So whenever I get to the word job, I'm going to move that down to the next line. And I like to do that in Notepad. So I'm just going to open up my little Notepad here. I'm going to copy everything. I'm just going to paste it in my Notepad. This is just something I do. If there's an easier way, have at it. This is just the way I do it. So I'm just shortening up these lines so they look a lot better whenever people are viewing the emails on their cell phones and stuff. Because not everybody is on a computer. My phone blowing up. Oh, I never seen that one before. Date. Okay. All right, so that looks good enough. So now I'm just going to highlight everything again, copy it. I'm going to highlight everything in here, Control A. And I'm going to paste, Control V, what I just put in the Notepad. All right, so the email says, hey, first name, great news. So now where it says click here to apply, I remember that was bold before we sent it to the notepad, so I'm going to make it bold again. I'm going to make this bold again. And I'm going to make this bold again. Now where it says date, I'm just going to put today's date on 5/3/22. The deadline for this job application is 12 a.m. on, I guess we'll make that 5/4/22. No, we'll do 5/5. We'll give them a day. 5/5/22. So that'd be midnight tomorrow. So they got till tomorrow. They could do all day tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 4th. Once it hits midnight, it's over because midnight would be the 5th. Okay, so we'll do 5/5/22 at 12 a.m. Okay, now we need to fill in our links right here where it says click here to apply. So to get our links, we need to come back to the very first page over here. And where it says promote, we'll click on promote. Now I like to use a tracking ID just for tracking purposes. And my tracking ID that I like to use is My Lead Gen Secrets, so MLGS for short. And then you click create hop link. You do not need a tracking ID. I repeat, you do not need a tracking ID, only if you want to track your sales. All right, so we're going to copy your affiliate link. That's your link to get paid. Now we're coming back to the email right here that's highlighted. We're going to come up here to this link, or you can click Control L and it'll open up this window. You're going to paste your link right there where it says URL and then hit OK. Now, everywhere where it says click here to apply, you're going to do the same thing. Highlight, click the link, paste the link. Okay. Highlight, paste the link. Okay. Now click perfect timing. I always like to preview my emails before I send them out. Make sure all 3 links work. That one worked. That one worked. And that one worked. So now that I know that they worked, I'm going to send the emails. Now that the emails have been sent out with my first account, it's time to send them out to the second account. Now the quickest way to do this, pay attention because it'll save you some time. You just right click on the tab up here that says mailing system, and then you click on duplicate. Now as you can see, there's this page here and there's this page here. The page with all the leads on the left hand side, you're going to sign out of that one. It should be the one that you just opened, the page you just opened. Log out. Now you're going to sign into your other account. All right. Now we're going back to mailing system, just like the first time, like the first emails we sent. We're going to click select all. Subject, we're just going to come right back over here. Copy, paste. Come down to the body, Control A, select it all, delete it. Come back to this email, select all and copy, Control C, and then paste with Control V. Click perfect timing, preview, and if you've done it right, the link should already be in there. We shouldn't have to do that again. And that's why I say that step is crucial, because it saves you a lot of time, because you don't have to go through, copy and paste the emails, insert all those things again. It's ready to go. So I'm going to hit send email. Perfect timing is clicked. So I'm going to send my emails. Alrighty, the emails has been sent. So that's it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wait till tomorrow, come back and check my results like I've been doing. Hopefully I'll get a sale like I did today. That was actually my first sale, so woohoo! I pat myself on the back. I didn't even know about that other sale, so that one don't even count. That was an accident. Nah, but thank you all for tuning in. Come back and see me tomorrow. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good one.